we talked reverse roll, but now I got another one for you. Stay tuned. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Wayne, and this is Fade to Black. Now, I'm going to talk about another technique called the Frankenstein. You remember the reverse roll technique? I'm going to leave a link to that video right here. Like I said before, in the reverse roll technique, you might have a tight little area in the back of a car. You might have a windshield you need to get done, so you might pull out the reverse roll technique. But the Frankenstein technique is another technique that, to me, is a little quicker than a reverse roll. And you know what? Sometimes you just want to get that window done. You want to get it thrown in there. You have a lot of space. There's not a lot of stuff in your way. Maybe the headrests, they can come out and you can have a nice big area back there. All right, I might be showing my age here, but let's go back a little bit. Who remembers that TV show called The Munsters? I used to watch that show like crazy. Honestly, that was one of my favorite shows. You know, you had that monster under the stairs he used to throw food to. You had Herman Munster, he was a dad. He was just crazy, always doing crazy stuff. So for me, every time I think about the Frankenstein technique, that's what comes to mind for me. I think about that movie. You know, so when you're thinking about Frankenstein, you think about walking around with your hands in front of you. That was old school, but in 2019, I bet you there's still people doing the Frankenstein technique. So I just got done fading out this facade, and the back deck of this one, the headrests come out. There is the brake light on the back deck, but when you Frankenstein it in, you usually can slip it right over that rear brake light, and you don't have any issues. Some people like to take the decks out of this. I kind of leave them in. I don't really have too much of an issue. That's where all your tint tools come in. Having the right tools to get back in the low areas and stuff like that. So this, and actually this piece of rear glass needs a big piece of film. I think I measured like at least 48 inches across, and it's pretty tall. So when you're messing around with the Frankenstein technique, you really have to juggle the film. You have to get the film on your arms correctly, so hopefully you don't mess it up. Now, in my opinion, the reverse roll is a safe technique. All the film has a liner on it. You roll it right to the glass. The Frankenstein, there is possibilities of maybe dropping the film or losing your footing and hitting the film up inside the car and getting contamination on it. So that's why some people just like to use the reverse roll technique. Some like to use Frankenstein. I kind of do it depending on what kind of car it is. Now I'm going to show you how I got this film, Frankenstein style, into this facade. like I said before, it's nice to have different techniques in your back pocket. You might have to use one or the other depending on what situation you got, what type of vehicle you got. So it's nice to kind of just practice and do all the different techniques. Like I said, I'm no professional. I'm still learning. Sometimes someone just shows you a technique in a certain way or a certain style, or just kind of sparks something in your brain that makes you say, you know, maybe I'll try that, or maybe I'll try something new. So that's why I like to just make videos as well. I'm still learning every day. I'm learning all the time. You know, we all human, we all make mistakes. So I try to practice every technique, so hopefully I don't get myself stuck in a situation where I wish I did know that technique. So this one is faded. Smash that subscribe button. Hit that bell so you do not miss any of the videos. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs down. Hopefully it helps somebody out there. Stay tuned, I got more videos coming. Until next time, stay faded. Peace.